channel. I'm Little Bold Gay Big Tech. So today I'm gonna show you how to build a starter wheat farm plus beetroot farm plus carrot farm and plus potato farm. And you will think this video will be so long because we're gonna make 4 farms. No, we're gonna make 4 in one. Yes, we're gonna make a 1 farm and we're gonna put the 4 resources in there. So as example, like this one I was building, and also this one. Don't think I failed in here, I was just checking if it works. So yeah, without wasting our time, let's roll the intro. Alright guys, so for that thing you need some water buckets, solid blocks, redstone dust, some stairs, a lever, 2 chests, some hoppers, some oak trapdoors, and this is a super flat world, so that's why I'm needing grass block. Otherwise, if you're on the infinite board, you can find a straight one. Then you need a redstone repeater, then the seeds and beetroot seed, then you need a carrot and a potato as your wish. So first of all, place a solid block in here, then go left y 5 1 2 3 4 ops, extremely sorry, build it up higher because I'm on platform, then 1 2 3 4 5, and the 6th block touch to the ground and come forward, then go again 1 2 3 4 5, again 6 block like this, then come forward. Okay, so then place the grass box right in here. Okay, then place the oak trapdoors like this. You can use any trapdoors if you want for the decoration. Okay, so after that, place waters in here. Oh, I don't know why, but guys, it's the waters are falling down. I think there's something. Okay guys, sorry, I forgot to mention that I did a mistake. You have to place 4 blocks, then in the 5th block, do it like the 6th block I was doing. I'm sorry. So then place waters like here. Why it's not working? I think it only works in Java. Guys, I think this farm only works at Java. So don't worry, let me figure it out. If you place it like this, oh, it's not coming. Okay, now I understand. Okay, so do it like this all over. Okay guys, okay, 1 forward, like this, then place the waters like this. Alright. Okay, so after that, place 6 stairs like this. 1 2 3 4 5, and the 6 stairs place it like this. Okay, and again 1 2 3. And if you want to build these farms in your world, you can check out my playlist in my channel. So then fill it with water. Fill the stairs with water. Okay, after that, sorry, cover this with the solid blocks. Okay. Okay, this one also. Then take 8 blocks. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, then place waters in here. Okay, then cover this up with the solid okay, then cover this up with the solid blocks. Not again. Okay, then I'll stay here. Okay guys, so after that, take a lever, then place redstone dust in here. Okay, and now it's time for the repeater. So let's grab us a repeater and place the repeater nearby here. Okay, and then So after that, you need to place. You have to take a hoe with a hoe. You can take a hoe or you can use farmlands. It's very easy, and I forgot to use it. So after that, take the seeds you want. I'm also taking those. Okay, and then this is a grinding card, so. Guys, one mistake is you can't hold here. What to do? It only works in Java, so yes, you have to leave it there. Do the first things like this, okay? So this area. Then place hoppers on. Hoppers, okay. Then take the chest and hopper. Okay. So dig. There's two blocks here. Just stand in the middle. Place it like this. Then connect those. Connect the hoppers with the chest and connect the hoppers with the hoppers. Okay, so after all all the crops are grown, just tap on the liver and what's happening? Oh my gosh, what's happening? Wait. What happens if I'm opening? What if I do like this? Okay guys, so I have found a way, but it looks super awkward, so yes, you have to take the trapdoors a little bit forward, then place the salt blocks up on the trapdoors, and if you press the lever, it will turn off, and if you press the lever up, it will on. So yeah, this is the only trick. I'm really sorry for that, and I should try it before the practice. So that is all for today. If you enjoyed the video, then smash the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I will meet you in another video. Till then.